In 2026, the algorithm operates as a matching engine. It analyzes individual user behaviors in real time and matches specific uploads to the person most likely to find them useful at that exact moment. Creators relying on broad appeal often struggle to gain traction. Without specific indicators of viewer satisfaction, these systems limit a video's distribution to prevent user fatigue. This explains why a channel with 10,000 subscribers can generate more reach than a legacy account with 5 million. The system prioritizes the immediate relevance of the content over the historical size of the following. Every upload undergoes a fresh evaluation. In this environment, a large subscriber base acts as a starting point, but it provides no long-term protection against a drop in distribution. Reach requires 4 metrics: retention, satisfaction, returning viewers, and session watch time. This replaces subscriber counts. Platforms verify this through daily surveys, checking if users explicitly report they were glad they watched. To find new talent, engineers use a logic called explore versus exploit. The system must choose between showing a user a video they are guaranteed to like or testing a video from a creator they've never seen before. The explore function is what allows new creators to break out. The algorithm intentionally diverts traffic to untested content to see if it can trigger a high satisfaction score from a small sample group. This initial window of opportunity is incredibly brief. If the initial sample group scrolls past or abandons the video early, the system stops the test and redirects that traffic back to proven creators. Sustained growth requires passing these rolling audits. The machine only continues to suggest your work if it consistently proves it can satisfy the viewers it's given. On short-form feeds, the first 3 seconds are the only opportunity you have to stop a user's upward scroll. If the hook fails to land immediately, the video is filtered out of the feed. To assist the matching engine, creators must categorize their work within one of the 300 specific verticals recognized by the platform. Clean data allows the algorithm to find the right subculture for your content. Maintaining visibility requires a high volume of output, often 1 to 3 posts daily. Using tools like stitches and duets allows for faster growth by linking your content to existing high-performing threads. Producing that amount of high-quality content manually is often unsustainable for a single creator. This is where a technical stack becomes necessary. Tools like Fliz AI and Adify process a single long-form video and extract specific segments with high retention potential to be used as short-form hooks. While AI handles the scale of production, platforms still require disclosure of automated tools. Viewers in 2026 value the efficiency of AI-assisted editing, but they only follow creators who maintain a clear, authentic human presence. Success in short-form requires an industrial output, masked by a personal, direct connection to the viewer. The final goal of the platform is not the success of one video, but the length of the user's total daily session. The more time a single user spends on the app, the more ad inventory the platform can fill. Session watch time is now the primary metric for long-term growth. Individual video performance is weighed against total time initiated. The algorithm rewards you if a viewer watches your video, then continues watching more content, even a competitor's. This proves your value to the platform. You can influence this with cards, clickable end screens, and curated playlists to create logical paths for the viewer. These features encourage the user to stay within the app, signaling to the algorithm that your channel is a high-value entry point. This is the 2026 blueprint: niche clarity, daily consistency, high satisfaction scores, and the use of AI to maintain volume. Modern platforms avoid content that leaves users feeling drained. They prioritize creators who can spark a satisfying daily habit, ensuring the audience returns to the app tomorrow.